Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Multiplication. In multiplication, tables is not very easy for children. They get confused. They may be okay with 2 tables, 3 tables, 4 tables and 5 tables. But when it comes to 6, 7 and 8, they get confused. Some of the children may not be able to retrieve tables randomly. We ask them to write the tables in the rough column. Even when they have to write the tables in the rough column, they are not able to jump in 6 or 7s and then write it automatically. Is there some other way of helping them to write the tables in the rough column so that they can do the multiplication sum without making a mistake? Yes, you can help them or you can teach them how to write tables block. Let us just see what is called as a tables block. Let us see how to make one for 6 tables. All that the child has to do is write the numbers continuously from 1 to 6, stop it at 6 and then start 7 from the next row as it is written here. If you see here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and after that the child has to go to the next row and keep writing the numbers underneath the first one. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and then when it comes to 13, they go to the next one. So, all that the child has to remember is if it is 6 tables block, they stop with 6 and then go to the next row to fill up the numbers and so on and so forth. Here there is no skip counting or jumping or counting in 6, it is just writing numbers continuously from 1 to 60. Now, if the question or if they need to find out what is 6 into 3, they go to the third row, look at the last number is 18. So, 6 into 3 will give you 18. So, what is 6 into 5? Which row should they go to? The 5th row, and which number should they see? The last number. So, let us see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, 5 into 6 or 6 into 5 is 30. So, this way there is no random retrieval that is required and it takes only 1 minute for the child to write numbers from 1 to 60. So, the child is able to do multiplication sum without making mistakes. The same can be done for 7 tables too. When you introduce division, the same number block can be used for doing a sum based on division. So, in case we take the sum 23 divided by 6, what is the first number that you see over here? 23. That means ask the child to take a counter and place it on 23. When I say the child places a counter on 23, it only states that the child is not supposed to count that row and only till the row before that to find out the quotient. Let us mark it over here in the tables block and see. So, 23 is here. Let us see how many rows have we finished or how many rows are there before that. So, there are 3 completed rows before that, hence the quotient will be 3. And how to find out the remainder? How many blocks are and how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, the remainder will be 5. So, using this block will help the child to understand the concept of division to start with, and hence they understand the word of, they understand what is meant by quotient and what is meant by remainder. Now, let us see how to make them learn 8 tables. Numbers start from 0. So, in 8 tables, we first ask the child to write out the first digit and then help them or tell them how to write the second digit. So, first ask the child or ask the children to tap the table, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can we do it once again? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, let us put these numbers on the board. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let us see how to write the second digit. We know even numbers. Even numbers are 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Just in case we put it in the reverse order, how will it go? 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Yes, that will be the second digit in 8 tables. Let me put that up on the board. Now, what happens to the rest of the numbers? Yes, repeat it once again. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Now, look at the numbers 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and 80. Which is nothing but your 8 times table. So, working out with things like this and helping them to understand the way it goes will help them to remember 8 tables. Here again, I would like to tell you that we are only helping him to write the tables in the rough column which they refer to work out a sum. This may not really help in random retrieval, but they just take 1 or 2 minutes to write out the tables, hence mistakes are avoided and time that they take to retrieve randomly is also avoided to a large extent. Thank you.